Hello guys, I'm Irix. I'm gonna first see this. I forget to video this to me because I'm so busy. So I forget to video it. And this is so exciting because I have a lot of photo card. Look at this, I have an earring. I have a new earring. Because I don't. So this is it. Look at that. It's so beautiful and it's chromid signs. Chromid too, and this is my photo card. If too much photo card, guys. I need a locker, but I buy in Shopee, but di po siya dumadating. So, I just DIY. So, that's a lot of photo card. This is my photo card, guys. I have a lot photo card, guys. So, just put here my Sophie collection of photo card and this collections and this is a collection of many one. They have many. My gosh, guys. Look at this. It's so many. Wow. This is my bias in beanie. It's Maloy. And look at my design name here. I love Chromie and beanie, but I don't love beanie. And look at my design. It's so beautiful. It's like a locker, but it's not a locker. It's not a locker. I wanna make my pie, but I cannot do it because it's so hard to do. But special for me, like that super beautiful, like the hatak. That I want that, but I cannot do it. So I just made a like this. So actually, I wanna make another. I just wanna make something tomorrow, but not tomorrow because we're gonna go to Balanga tomorrow because I want to go. I said to my mommy, in my birthday I have a school, so in 25 tomorrow we're gonna so promise me we're gonna go to the Balanga, so I can do it if karating ko man, and I'll get a picture there to edit my pictures. Yes, look at this, it's so beautiful. So pag dumami na yung mga photo cards ko, bibenta ko na sila para kamaya. So it's a little bit for me. Like 28 pa lang plus ata. Let's go count it. Because I have a prank, guys. I have a prank here, guys. It's a secret. I have a prank here. Whoever hingi me, pag may nangingi sa akin, magpaparak sa hospital namin, ito Jolly Photo Card. Ginok ko neto Tito Keds kasi siya namili neto sa Jollibee. Excited na kayo. Ginok niya ako ito. Pero ito naman talaga, nakuha niya lahat. Pero nakuha niya din yung she get the group photo card sa ko, but I can't because I have a school. So, nakita niya na? Guys. Baka nakita niya na, guys. This is my prank. Pag sabi ko, sinong gusto ng Jollibee photo card? Bibigyan ko si Mika at saka si Maloy. Dun na, guys. Yun up sa akin. goodness! Like, super funny. Ito si Mikamot and sabi ko dito kasi ito si Mikamot. So, she's fat. And ito naman si Madoy. It's Madoy. Get keep this because I'm gonna prank if I'm gonna prank them in I think Sunday. Yeah, I'm gonna prank Sunday because this is so funny. I gotta do them. So that's all. I just share you my mail. Tomorrow, abangan nyo. Magagawa ako ng something. I think want to make a locker. So magawa ng locker, but yung locker is for makeup. Oh. For lipstick. So yun, lipstick. So, kita tayo guys. Kumain nyo ka maglipet. Huwag niyo yung pansin yan yung kumaroon kanina. Huwag niyo yung pansin yan guys. She's my tito. Don't pansin him.